Hello tech enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to download and install the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ on Windows 11 for the year 2024. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about programming, this guide is tailor-made for you, so let's get started. Microsoft Visual C++ is an essential toolset for programming in C and C++ on Windows. It includes libraries, compilers, and IDE support to help you develop, debug, and deploy your applications. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. Today, I'll be using Google Chrome for the demonstration. Head over to the official Microsoft Visual Studio website. You can find the link in the video description below. Once there, hover over the Downloads tab and select the version. Here you can see I have 64 megabytes, so I'm gonna tap on it. Now my C++ has been downloading. You can tap on the downloading option and see how much downloading has been done. Then after it has been installed, tap on it. You'll be asked whether you want to install or not. Simply tap on install and there you have it. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to start developing applications with Microsoft Visual C++.